This is pretty much a typical weak base dissociation problem. You have a 0.2 molar solution of trimethylamine, and it has a Kb value of 4 times 10 to the minus 4. I just did a little SRE chart, and it comes out to be x squared over 0.2 minus x is equal to the constant Kb. When I solve for x, I got x is equal to 0.0087 molarity. So that represents actually three things, one of which is the concentration of OH, which I'm interested in, the concentration of the positive ion, not so interested in, and how much reacts. So in this case, when I take the log of 0.0087, since it represents the concentration of OH, I'm actually calculating the pH, and I think the POH, and I think the POH comes out to be about 2.1, so therefore the pH should be close to 11.9.